your spinal cord, approximately between your lumbar and cervical vertebrae. Did you find it already? It's right behind your fallopian tube. Alright, Abid, katuwaan lang. Subukan mo kung kaya mo. On the count of 3, push the chain to your body. Patagusin mo yung kadena sa katawan mo. 1, 2, 3. Look at the effort he's putting into this task. And how about Ivy? 1, 2, 3. Hindi kaya, you know why? Because what I'm asking them to do is break a law of physics. Now, according to Einstein, you cannot pass one solid object through another without destroying one or both. But this is not physics, this is magic. So I'll teach you the magic step. Ivy, Ahmed, follow me. Raise your right foot like this. Stamp it on the floor vigorously like this. Shouting, "Happy birthday!" Lakas! Macho. Okay, sabay. Happy birthday! Yan. Kabila. Kaliwa. Days later. Happy birthday later. Okay, isa na. Happy birthday! Lakas! Later! Yan. Music maestro. Happy birthday! Later! Let's go, guys! Listen to the rhythm of your feet. Come on! Get going now! Get ready! Now, keep! Yes, you guys rock, huh? You must surprise in real life. And you don't know what's going on, huh? Tama na. Okay. Until you've done it, Abel, the count of 3, hilahin mo yung kanina papunta doon. Ivy, the count of 3, hilahin mo yung kanina papunta doon. Huwag na kong biglayin dahil masasaktan ko ako. Okay? So, kapag umubra to, yung kadena ay tatagos sa katawan ko. Ready? 1, 2, hila doon, the count of 3. 3! Ivy, natulala ka. Thank you, Ivy. Thank you. Ate, thank you. Palakpakan naman natin sila mga kaibigan mo, James, at the